Hey guys, I am Neha and today I will review Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo by Fantraa. So let's get started. Made with 100% raw apple cider vinegar. This shampoo perfectly suits for improve your scalp health and promote hair growth. It's suitable for all hair types and made with pH balanced formula. Also contains shikakai, green tea and neem that's perfectly beneficial for your hair scalp. It comes in cute travel friendly dispenser bottle. To use, first wash your hair with lukewarm water. Take small amount of shampoo and massage gently about 2 to 3 minutes to full length of your hair. Rinse your hair and scalp completely with water. I'm using this shampoo in my regular shower routine and it helps me to make my hair soft, shiny and also reduce hair fall and improve my hair scalp health. 300 ml bottle lasts up to 3 months. If you are looking for natural shampoo and want to treat your hair concern and want to improve your scalp health, then give this shampoo a try.